Trimos Length Measuring Machine universe. The Trimos Labconcept offers a direct measuring range equal to application range. The universal table can be moved and positioned very easily along the measuring bench to its ideal position. The Labconcept offers fine adjustment, allowing very accurate positioning. The Nurdle activates the fine adjustment. Measuring force can be simply adjusted by an Allen key from 0 to 12N and can be seen on the measuring carriage. The universal measuring table offers 5 degrees of liberties. Manual movement of the Z-axis equals the first axis of liberty. Z movement of the universal table allows a measuring range of 80 millimeters. Manual lateral movement of the Y-axis equals the second axis of liberty. The lateral movement of the universal table allows a measuring range of 50 millimeters. Tilting movement around the X-axis is the third axis of liberty. Circular movement around the Z-axis is the fourth axis of liberty. Floating movement X-axis is the fifth axis of liberty. Measuring of the plane ring gauge involves using brackets, and while finding the reversal point, the maximum is displayed on the PC screen. You can measure a small ring with a measuring device with a ball probe from 1 to 180 millimeters. You can measure a small ring with a measuring device with a ball probe up to 5 millimeters. Measurement of a small ring with a measuring device with a ball probe down to 0.5 millimeters. Measure the thread ring gauge with our electronic device from M3 to M180. Measure the first pitch of the thread ring gauge using the measuring device with a ball probe by touching the surface. The ball probe determines the reversal point. The measurement is taken at the reversal point by the ball probe maneuvering within the ring. Movement into the second pitch. Measurement of the second pitch. After the ball probe has moved half pitch up, the third pitch is measured. The calibration certificate is released detailing all the parameter measurements. The Labconcept offers a quick system named LABC 15 to measure plane and thread plug gauge. The calibration certificate is released detailing all parameters. Go, no-go plug gauge by clamping up to 100 millimeters. The measurement of the go side and measurement of the no-go side is quick and efficient. The Labconcept is used for various applications like snap gauge, internal micrometer, external micrometer, gauge blocks, lever type, dial gauge, internal and external API standard, internal and external taper thread. The Labconcept exists in 2 different models, the Labconcept and the Labconcept Premium.